Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. This is the Weavers of Eternity and Gear Infusion giveaway winner announcement. So thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway by commenting and subscribing. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and huge thank you to all the existing subscribers. I really appreciate all the positive feedback and the nice words that you guys left on the giveaway video. So thank you very much for that. So I have tallied all the comments and all the entries to the mailing list, and I've got my winner. So the winner is BJ Hill. BJ, thank you so much for entering. Congrats to you. Please email me to my email address so I can confirm your identity, who you are, and get your shipping address so I can get the prize out to you. All right, so yeah, congrats to BJ Hill. And thank you to everyone who entered and made the giveaway such a fun experience. Hope you guys enjoyed that giveaway. Do stay tuned. I will be doing more giveaways in the future. I know I've been a little sparse on that, but you know, the main purpose of this channel is to share the knowledge and the tutorials about Paracord, and hope you guys have been enjoying that content. And to make sure you guys stay up to date on my latest videos, be sure to turn on notifications if you are a subscriber, and if you're not a subscriber, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you know of when I release videos. And last but not least, do remember that I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. You want access to exclusive videos, feel free to check out that Patreon page. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.